To ride in this weather, you have to be doing at least 60 miles an hour. It's national speed limit allowed if you ride in these weathers. Yeah, we ain't waiting in all this. Tuck in where we can.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. And now we are entering the quote-unquote danger zone. Welcome to Sparkbrook, guys. Yeah, so far so good. Can't see anything untoward going on. See, so we're watching out for anyone that just wants to pull out. Boys. That's it. Right, I'm starting to smell food. It is, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. I'm hungry again. I've come out, not had breakfast, as I do. Parking is anywhere you can find. Pavements, I mean, am I anti that? No. But when I need to park, you get me? So yeah, so far everything's calm. Nothing untoward happening. No craziness. In fact, what I am going to do is I'm going to go over by, is it Small Heath? I'm going to kind of cover the 2 spaces. See, when you filter, you got to be really, really careful. Someone can just decide to open doors and all sorts. See if we can get in front without any issues. Yep, we're here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight up there. Then when we get to the next major set of traffic lights, I'm going to turn left and go up them way there. Again, I've just come to do a bit of a tour. Like I said, you know, people normally say if you can ride in these spaces or drive in these spaces, you can drive and ride anywhere. Don't know how true it is, but we all have the sentiment, you know. Right, so we're gonna go over by. Gonna turn around, turn left here. If anyone wants to know, the number 4 bus seems to come down here. Oh my gosh, the sun is sunning. The sun is sunning. I might have to even lock out this video because this is just getting too much. The heat is heated. Wait, let's turn left here. Let's go Small Heath. Okay, what's happening here? Why the congestion? Oh, bro, you can't keep still. No. To ride in this weather, you have to be doing at least 60 miles an hour, at the very least. It's national speed limit alone. You ride in these weathers. And I want to get around all of this, but you were on a bend. I'm not on it. Just wait till the road gets straight. Is there enough space? Oh, no. Let's give that lorry some space, yeah, sir. Oh my gosh, the heat. Yeah, we ain't waiting in all this. We tuck in where we can. Right. Riding in the heat wave is not a flex, Regin. Trust me. Trust me. Alright then, so we are almost arriving, Small Heath. Stay tuned for part 2. So again, people just walking out. I mean, he just decided he was just going to step out in the road. So what's going on here? What is going on here? What is going on here?
Brown biker, yeah, na. Ooh. This is a brown biker, brown rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.